How to send high quality video on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can send high quality video on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. After that, open up the conversation where you want to share the video. Then tap on the image icon from the bottom of this interface. Now select the media, either your photo or video that you want to share. Then tap on edit. If you want to share a photo, at the bottom left corner, there you'll have an option as SD. Simply tap on it and then send it to your friend. But if you're not able to find the quality option while you are trying to send the video, then what you have to do is you have to close the Messenger. Now open up Drive in your device. After that, tap on New from the bottom right corner. Now create a folder and name your folder. Then tap on Create. Now once you have created your folder, open it up, then tap on plus. Now you have to upload the video that you want to share on Messenger. Once you have uploaded the video on your drive on the folder, now head towards the video and tap on the three dot next to it. Here tap on Manage Access. Here tap on the Restricted and again tap on it. Now select anyone with the link. Now once you have updated the permission, you have to tap on the icon at the top right in order to copy the link. Now once you have copied the link for your drive folder, now you have to open up Messenger and then select the chat where you want to share your video. Here you have to paste the link that you have copied recently, then tap on Send. And that's how you can send SD quality video or high quality video on Messenger. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.